He stepped in and made our lives normal. I can't.
The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, southern Elk County in north-central Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Portland Mills, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Portland Mills around 3:40 p.m., Ridgeway and Johnsonburg around 3:50 p.m., Brandy Camp and Brockport around 4:00 p.m., St. Mary's around 4:10 p.m., Penfield around 4:25 p.m. This will impact the following major roads: Route 219, State Road 120, State Road 255. Precautionary/preparedness actions: severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772.
Push and chase.